Hello everybody, I just wanted to start by saying that once you have all of your bolts tight in the control arm, you want to make sure that you have the full weight of the vehicle on the ground. You can either do this if you have the room by putting the tire back on and then lowering the car slightly onto the ground while still having the jack or jack stand under the car to prevent it from falling on you, or you can use a second jack underneath the control arm and push up until it just ever so slightly lifts up the car, and then go ahead and torque all of your bolts down to the proper specs. I did not record myself doing that, but it was done on this vehicle. And here we're going to be taking off the two 17mm bolts for the brake caliper bracket. The size for the nut on top of the ball joint is a 7/8. On this nut and bolt I used an 11/16 and a 17. I'm not sure if they're exactly the same size, but they did work to get it off because I could not find my 11/16 wrench. So 11/16 or 17 should work. This nut and bolt in the very back is also a 17 or a 11/16. The bolt was hitting the other control arm as I was trying to get it out, so I had to jack up the whole suspension in the front and get it to pop down, so this way I could go and hammer that bolt out, as you see there. If this video helped you out at all, I'd appreciate it if you'd like and subscribe. I will be making more videos on my Toyota very soon. I've bought another truck and a frame to put the Toyota on top of, so if you guys are interested in seeing that, make sure to stick around, check out my other videos so you guys know what truck I'm talking about. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.